What's up, squeegee slingers? Tradman here. Thank you very much indeed for tuning in once again. So today we're talking about the FaceLift Swivel Adapter, and we're also going to be talking about the rinse bar. So how is this going to benefit your water-fed pole work? Stay tuned. So yes, indeed, today we are talking about, firstly, this FaceLift Swivel Precision Adapter from Window Cleaning Warehouse. So we're going to be having a look at that first. So what can we tell you about it? Well, first things first, you'll be happy to know that it connects to most water-fed pole brushes. So that's a good thing to know. It's also got a very large pivot angle. It goes 160 degrees, so that gives you a very large range there to give you basically the ability to scrub any window from any angle. So it is really recommended for those tricky and awkward windows that you might have to do. The other benefit to having a swivel is it allows you to actually remain quite still. So before, to try and get to those awkward angles or scrub those certain bits of glass, you had to physically move your body and move the pole around, which after a day's work can be pretty tiring on your neck, shoulders and back. But what this swivel allows you to do, it takes all that effort out of it really. So rather than twisting your whole body to move that brush around, all you're doing is simply twisting the pole, and that then moves the brush head. So it's really taken a lot of the work out of scrubbing those windows. So I highly recommend getting a swivel head if you're looking to try and make your life that little bit easier. The only additional feature, to be honest, that I would like to maybe see on the Precision Swivel Adapter is perhaps a locking button. Now there's instances where you would like this not to move. So it would be a nice additional feature, maybe in the future, to have a locking button, something like that. Something a little bit similar to the Mormon accelerator handle, where that can swivel or be locked. Something similar to that would be nice to see perhaps in the future, but the fact that this can swivel far outweighs the fact that you can't lock it. So to be honest, I couldn't actually live without a swivel precision angle adapter now, to be honest. It's just made my life so much easier when it's coming to do water-fed pole work. So highly recommend that you get the swivel adapter. It's really, really handy. Now the next thing we're going to talk about is this rinse bar over the top. Now why does that come in handy? Well, first things first, if you're working on hydrophobic glass. Now hydrophobic glass is essentially when water beads down the glass. It doesn't sheet down, it beads down, it repels the water. Now if you're using a rinse bar, that really aids you in rinsing that window down a bit more efficiently, a bit more quickly, as opposed to using pencil jets. So if you come across hydrophobic glass quite a lot in your work, get yourself a rinse bar and it'll really, really help. Now the weight of this rinse bar is extremely light. It comes in about 30 grams. It's just plastic. There's nothing heavy to it. You will not notice a difference when you add this to your water-fed pole. So weight-wise, good score there. Having the rinse bar allows you to keep the brush on the window because the last thing that's touching the glass is our purified water. So what it's basically allowing you to do is scrub the window down and then rinse it as you're coming down the window. So you no longer have to take your brush off of the window to rinse it down. You can keep that brush in contact with the glass and it'll really save you a lot of effort and wear and tear on your body as well. So yep, highly recommend that you get the rinse bar and also the precision angle adapter. So in conclusion, we've had a look at the angle adapter, which we've found is going to make our life a lot easier, especially getting to those awkward windows. We've found that the rinse bar makes life easier as well because you're not having to lift that brush off to rinse every single window. And it's also going to be a lot more beneficial when working on hydrophobic glass. So both of them together, I would highly recommend that you get them, give it a try, see what you think. For me personally, it's made my work a lot easier, a lot faster and safer as well. So highly recommend these two products. I'll leave the links in the description below for you so you can find them nice and easily. And once again, I thank you for watching the videos. It is really much appreciated and I'll see you in the next one. You take care, be good and bye for now.